Hello guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert GIFs in Google Slides. So if you have a Google Slides presentation that you're working on and you want to add some GIFs to make it a bit nice, you can go ahead and you can do this. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to just randomly find a page here. So let's choose this page. It says conflict, and let's move this up to the top, and let's say I want to add a GIF to both the conflict or something, right? What you want to do, just simply go to insert and go down to where it says images and choose stock and web. And from here you want to look towards the right hand side of the search, and you'll have a little image icon and a drop down. So click that, select GIFs. So if I want to go ahead and choose a word or type the word here, I can go ahead and I can find something in that manner that I could use, and that's it. So I can go ahead and I can use, for example, this one, add it, and as you can see, I add the gift there. So all you have to do is just really click on a gift, and it's going to insert right into your Google Slides or on your Google Slide page. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.